Do you have a small claims trial coming up? The best thing you can do for your case is be prepared. This video will help you understand generally what to expect so you can be ready. But for more information, be sure to go to the link at the end of the video to learn more. And check your local court's website for more specific information about its processes. Now, let's talk about how to prepare. First, if you need an interpreter, check with the court clerk as soon as possible, no later than 1 week before your trial. The clerk will let you know if you can get a free interpreter from the court and how to ask for one. If you need an accommodation because of a disability, also ask the court at least a week in advance. Then, before the date of your trial, read the court papers you and the other party filed. Understand what you and the other party are asking the court to do or decide. Next, put together your evidence. This is the information you can present to the judge to prove your case. It can be testimony from witnesses or items you want the judge to see. These items are called exhibits and can include photos, videos, police reports, medical bills, social media posts, text messages, or other documents that support your case. Ask your court's small claims advisor or self-help center if you have questions. Be sure to organize your evidence so you can find it easily during your court trial. If you have witnesses, plan ahead by writing down the questions you will ask them and make sure you know how they will answer them. Also, think about the questions the other party might ask your witnesses so you can prepare your responses. If you think the other party will have witnesses, prepare the questions you want to ask them. If you have exhibits you want the judge to consider, make sure you have at least 3 sets of each document, an original for the judge, a copy for you, and a copy for the other party. Now, make an outline of your case. In your outline, write each of the points you want to make and how each piece of evidence supports your position. Include each request you want to make and a list of reasons why. Also, write down what requests you think the other side will make and have an answer ready for those. Finally, write down a brief summary of your case and your point of view about the issues. On the day of court, get to court on time, or better yet, early. When your case is called, walk to the table at the front of the courtroom facing the judge. Be sure to speak clearly and loudly and only when it is your turn. Do not interrupt the judge or the other side. Follow the judge's instructions for how the hearing will go. The judge may want to first hear your summary of the case and your position, or may instead ask you questions about why you are in court. If you don't understand what the judge wants you to do, ask. As the trial moves along, look at your notes and outline to help you make sure you're not forgetting anything you may want to ask the judge or want to bring up. This can also help you calm down if you get nervous. Listen to the other side carefully and take notes so you can respond if you need to. Ask the judge for permission to respond once the other side is finished. Don't rely on the judge to ask you questions or remember everything you asked for. If something doesn't get asked, bring it up. And if you don't understand something, tell the judge right away. Lastly, pay close attention to what the judge says. Make sure you understand the court orders and what you need to do when the hearing is over. Following these steps will help you be better prepared for your trial in your small claims case. For more information, go to www.courts.ca.gov/1013.htm.